It's good as hell. You hear me?
Look at this snow, y'all. Back camera is so freaking clear. We up 2 pounds, y'all know it's up there. What it do, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, family. It's Saturday, y'all. It is the weekend and I have a few runs to make, so I just threw on my Love Mickey Mouse sweater set from Target. I got this hat from, it was like a giveaway going on somewhere. Like gave away a bunch of sweaters and gloves and scarves and stuff like that, and they was just saying dig in and take what you want. I was like, really? So I got this hat out of there, and I thought this hat was really cute, especially with the pom-pom. Y'all know I love the pom-pom, and it's like a bright orange. I don't know if the camera is showing, maybe I need to turn it down a little bit, but look, it's like a very bright orange and white. But I was like, why not today? I do have orange in my my Mickey Mouse sweater and stuff, so I was like, why not? But I do have on like my black Nike boots, and I'm gonna put on my black coat. But I was just like, oh, let's brighten it up a little bit with a little orange and white to brighten up my day and somebody else's day, you know what I'm saying? So I got a few runs to make. One of them is to get something to eat. I'm gonna probably try this new restaurant, so let's roll. I'll see y'all in the car. Ooh, it is good and warm. That heat is blowing, baby. So what I think I'm gonna do is get the food first, because me and Raymond is hungry, and it's already like 2 o'clock now, so we need to eat lunch. Usually I eat lunch in between like 12 and 2, so I'm kind of late starting. I don't want to make all my runs and then get the food and come back, because then that's basically like dinner. What I need to do is look up the place right here and call and order it so it could be ready, first of all. Okay, let's see if it come up. It's called Lunchbox. Winter weather advisory has been issued. Okay. Because when I first got in the car, it said possible ice on road. I'm like, this car is so freaking smart. You hear me? It's like a smart car. All right, let's call them also. Turn this heat back on. It's cold.
Thanks for choosing the Lunchbox. How can I help you?
Hi, this is my first time ordering, but I saw you guys yesterday. Do you have chicken wings?
Yes, we have boneless and wingdings.
Okay, so how many do the wingdings come in?
We have a 5, 10, or a 20 piece.
Okay, can I get a 5 piece? And also, does that come?
Calculation.
Do you get?
Can I get a name for the order first?
Ida.
And a good phone number?
313.
And how many wings did you want?
5. Can I get? Do you have French fries?
Yes.
Yes, I want like 5 of them with some French fries.
All right. And did you want any sauce for the wings?
They come on the side or on them?
It comes on the side.
Okay, yeah, just give me some barbecue.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, I think you have corned beef sandwiches, right?
Yep, we have the Reuben, the Perfect 10, and the Dagwood.
The Reuben? I think I want, what come on the Reuben?
Sauerkraut, Thousand Island, Swiss cheese.
Yeah, I want that.
Is the grilled rye bread okay?
Grilled rye? Is that what you said?
Yep.
Yeah. It comes with pickles?
Yeah, on the side.
Yes, please. I like extra pickles. And some fries also.
Anything else?
That would be all. Thank you.
So it is going to be $19.73, and it'll be about 20 minutes for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. I love this car, y'all. You can navigate, call them, talk to, it's just so dope.
You know you bad, babe. You know I let it these all these that's all the tax, babe.
But anyways, I had a few runs that I wanted to do today, which one of them is to eat. We have to do that. We already ate breakfast, but it's lunchtime and it's time to eat again. And also I needed to run to Target because I wanted some straws. We have straws, but they like color straws, and I kind of wanted some more basic straws for my smoothies and stuff like that, and not the actual color ones. It's just not aesthetically pleasing, you know what I mean? I wanted to go check into me getting a new cell phone to upgrade my camera and, you know, stay up to date and stuff like that. So like I say, I'll probably go get the food, go back home, eat, and then make my runs, because I don't want to starve Raymond, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially going to get no new cell phone and stuff like that. That's gonna take too long. If anything, I could have probably went to go get the straws and the ice cubes that I want. Y'all remember when I got the sphere shaped ice cubes, the little round ones, but I want the square ones and Raymond want the square ones, so I wanted to get them and the straws. So both of them is at the same place, which is Target. So if I wanted to, if it was a Target by here, I probably could have got that out the way, so then I could just have to worry about the phone. So we actually might do that. If it's a Target nearby there, I might as well go ahead and knock that out if they have them. But yeah, I'm gonna try. If it's a Target nearby, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go home and eat, and then I'm gonna go out and get me a new cell phone, and I'm gonna show y'all, you know, what cell phone I picked and stuff like that. So yeah, but this is a new place, a new restaurant. It's just opened, I think, a few days ago, or like a week or so ago. So I want to try this out. I just saw it yesterday, so I was like, oh, I want to try it out, and the name sounded so sweet, you know, like Lunchbox, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, they have to have some good sandwiches and fries and stuff like that. They also got shakes too, so it's like, should I have got a shake? I don't know, but anyway, I'm gonna try this new restaurant out, and I want y'all to see it too, you know, just in case if y'all nearby, or anytime be ever nearby or whatever. It's on Telegraph in Dearborn, and it's called Lunchbox, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get there and stuff.
Cause I'm a kid to her. Money I give to her. This is a chick, this is a I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young come play your good smoke, good drink, you drive the boat. Go baby. You know how I'm going. I'm gonna if you want your purpose. I can't even lie, you ain't my type. You ain't even know that's fine. Imagine big house, I can really be bragging.
Okay, so I made it to the place. This is how I look on the outside. It's called Lunchbox, but I'm gonna show y'all the inside when I go in. I love that song. Okay, y'all, come on, let's go in here to the Lunchbox. And my car is so freaking dirty. It's been about 20 minutes too. She said 20 minutes. So this is, I'm sorry, it was a little blurry. I look a bit. Hello.
Are you picking up?
Yes.
What's the name?
For Ida.
Awesome. I can get that right over here.
Okay. It's so cute in here. Yep.
Awesome. And then I will let you know, so right now we are doing a little contest. So out of all the lunch boxes, we have a winner in one of them. And if you get it right, you get half off of your bill.
Oh.
So it's on all along this wall, and then literally on the wall. So whatever one you think has the winner in it.
Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. Oh, wow. You said all these?
All of them. So out of all of them, there's one winner.
On the wall too?
Yep.
Oh, wow. I don't know, I'm just pick the pink one.
Is that the Hello Kitty?
The light pink one up there?
The little cute handle?
Yeah.
Is it the Hello Kitty one? But we're doing
Too
it
bad I
the
didn't
next couple
win.
days, so it's gonna be 1973 for you.
Oh, that's sweet though.
And then you can select any of those and then just insert or swipe. Hello. Awesome. Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you.
And then this is all yours.
Thank you.
You got it. Have a
Good day.
good one.
You too.
Were you ladies picking
It's so
up?
cute in here. They got a whole bunch of like
Carol.
lunch boxes and stuff up there. But this is the door when you're going out. Thank you, Lunchbox, come again. And these are all the, and this is how it looks over here. It's so cute. I like this. Well, my food is ready, y'all, so out we go. It's a quick little tour. Whew, it smells good. I hope it's good. This will be our first time trying it. Look at my new floor mat. So this is what my floor mat would have been looking like, y'all, if I didn't change it to the winter ones. If y'all watch my last vlog, then you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll know what I'm talking about, but look at it. It's crazy, right? Honey, I'm home. You not honey. You Carly. You not honey. Where my honey at? Honey, I'm home with the food. Carly say, I'm honey today if you got food. Yeah, I had this sweater for so long, like a very, very long time. And it got like this warm stuff in the inside. I love it. And it was great. So I was like, why not throw it on? Because I knew I wasn't doing much. And it's not actually that cold today, actually, y'all. But I'm about to show y'all this food because this is about to be my first time seeing it also. So let me take my sweater and my hat and stuff off. All right, y'all, let's see what it's time about. So as y'all know, oh, let me get my phone just in case I want to do an Instagram story. Just in case it's laying, if it's laying right. But this is the bag it came in, y'all. Nothing too spectacular or whatever. Y'all know my total was like $20. Y'all heard what I ordered and stuff like that. See what it's time about. All right, so it come in regular white containers. Okay, this is the fries. What does it spell? Oh, the receipt. So these are the fries. This is, oh, my Reuben. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I gotta get a little thumbnail, y'all. I'm sorry. So this is the Reuben. I just did me a little thumbnail, y'all. I asked for extra pickles, so they gave me extra pickles. This is on grilled rye bread, and it got corned beef, sauerkraut, Thousand Island. I think that's it. It's on grilled rye bread, like I said. And it's a nice little size. I get 2 halves. Like, okay, this looks really good. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is sick. You see that, baby?
Wow. That's corned beef?
Yes.
Yeah,
Want a bite?
I didn't even know you was gone.
Baby, I was here for the longest. I just left. I was about to come in there and tell you I'm leaving, but you were asleep. I was like, what's the point? Oh, shoot. Yeah, so, oh, shoot. Oh, these are my fries. Well, because we both got fries. Raymond got a 5-piece wing with barbecue sauce on the side. There we go. Look at that. They look good, but he gotta taste it. They look good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me your fries. Come on, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna taste the fries first. Okay. They cool. They good.
Yeah, it's good.
She's trying to find out. My bread is a little soggy on the bottom. And I don't like that. Why? Like, why is it soggy? Let's see if the taste make up for it. Oh my. Oh my. Damn! It's good as hell. You hear me? Baby. It's good as hell. I'm not playing.
It looks like it's good.
It's good. The taste, what the hell? Damn, I ain't even getting no video for the Madame story. That's crazy. That's how my bitch that one. I had to bite another one. Hold on. I done been up to the damn sandwich already.
And we are done just like that. Time to go make some runs. Woo. All right, we in Raymond car now. I'm about to go make my runs. I'm trying to think about what do I want to go first. Do I want to go see about the phone first and then go to Target? I think so I can kind of like get that out the way. Look, I done got all bougie now with my car being able to put the navigation in. You know, bougie and shit. But I love Raymond Charger though. I love it because it's fast. It's fast. But let's see. He told me to go to this one Sprint, but I know I need to go to Target too. Which Sprint do I want to go to? Let me turn my Wi-Fi off because be acting funny when you're trying to search for. It's cold. I should have been started this car. T-Mobile. Well, I know Sprint is with T-Mobile now though, but when I pull up Sprint, T-Mobile coming up. Sprint ain't even coming up. Huh? Is it the same? Can I handle the same business in T-Mobile? Because when I pull up Sprint ain't coming up. Only T-Mobile. What? Let me ask Raymond because that's weird. Why ain't this? What? So I just pulled up to T-Mobile, but this is the phone that I have. It's just a LG, I think LG V8 Thin, that's what it's called. So it is an LG, but if I can get the Samsung 21, then I probably would get that one. But we're about to go in here to see, you know, what they can offer. But this is my case and stuff I have on here now. And let me see, I got a little crack up here in the corner. It's like I just dropped it like a week ago or whatever. Man, I haven't dropped no phone in so long, so I was like so sick about it. It's like right on the edge, right on the top edge. So this is how the phone looks. So it's a G8 Thin Q. It's a real nice phone. It take good pictures and everything. So I don't even care about if I can get the new one of these, that's fine. Whatever is gonna be cheapest and best for me. Man, if y'all can see how I've been walking because I'm so sore. Tonight I am soaking in the tub because my legs, that workout yesterday had my legs on bang, you hear me? So I'm about to walk up in this T-Mobile real quick so I can check on it. Oh, you gotta stand up. Hello. Okay. Oh, it do say it too. Get the new Samsung Galaxy S21 free when you trade in a qualifying device. So I'm gonna definitely see. Okay, that didn't go well because I didn't know, basically, like, I know T-Mobile and Sprint merged, but I didn't know basically like it was T-Mobile. Ain't no Sprint no more, basically it's T-Mobile. And I left T-Mobile years ago, so I don't know if I want to be with them. Like, I probably go to AT&T or Verizon because I don't even like T-Mobile. Like, that's why I left them. So we're gonna probably have to go to a whole new phone company and see what I could do with either one of them because I'm not doing T-Mobile. Okay. We at it again. We're gonna try Verizon to see what they talking about. I never been with Verizon, so not sure, but don't hurt to try them. Hello. Thank you. I want to look into a new phone. Want to look into a new phone, like switch services. Okay, y'all, I got the numbers for them and it's kind of decent, not quite what I wanted, so I think I'm gonna gamble one more time, and that's with AT&T to see my best options for me. We know we always want the best options for me. I gotta look out for my package, you feel me? So let's see, where is the AT&T? Start this car because I'm cold. Okay. I love that song, Bossa Nova, T Grizzly, and Cash Doll, because they both from Detroit. Okay. What's that? Oh. So where's the AT&T? Oh wow. It's an AT&T store right here. It's 350 feet away. What the heck? So I didn't even need to get in the car actually, but I'm gonna drive and park in front of that store. Okay. Ooh, it's icy. It's snow right here. We're gonna go into AT&T now to see what they talk about. I've never been with AT&T, but I know they got good services. We're gonna see what they talk about now. All right, AT&T time. Let's go. Hello, I'm finding you. I was calling maybe to look into a new phone. I'm with Sprint T-Mobile right now, but I don't really want them. So I wanted to see what y'all was offering. Maybe for like either the Samsung or
the Samsung.
Yeah.
Is what are you looking like for the newer ones?
It don't have to be. Okay. But if it's a good deal, we're going off the good deals, okay? So these are the new S21s, and that's like S21 Plus. Okay, y'all, so I end up getting the phone. I got the Samsung FE, and I love this color. Like, it's so cute. The camera is sick on here. Like, it can do like 30 times zoom on this phone. But look at the color. It's like a green, hold on, get some focus. Yeah, it's like a green mint like color, almost like the Tiffany blue, almost, actually, just a little bit. Well, no, it's almost like the Tiffany blue color actually. And it got like 3 cameras on the back, and even the front camera is sick. Like, this phone is sick. It's like last year's model, but the new one just came out today. I wasn't about to pay all that money for that phone because I'm just not about to do it. So I got the last year model, but it's dope. And like I said, the new one just came out today, so it's okay. It's all good. The camera on here is sick. Like, my Instagram pictures really about to be dope. Like, they was dope, but they about to be doper, if that's even a word. It's probably not, but anyway, I'm at Target. We're at Target. We're about to run in here. We gotta get some ice trays, we gotta get some straws. It's Sunday, y'all. I woke up and I finished uploading my video that will be up today. I just hit publish, which is, you know, on Sunday or whatever. And I think I'm gonna make me a smoothie. Raymond wanna do a photo shoot today, and I haven't really ate yet, so I think I'm gonna do me a smoothie for like my morning like breakfast or whatever. I don't know, parfait or smoothie. I think a smoothie because it just gets you going. I don't know, like lots of energy, even though the parfait do too, but I don't know, it make you go to the bathroom too with a smoothie. So that's why I really like it too. I know it's probably TMI, but y'all know how I make my smoothie with the almond milk and the peanut butter and the oats and the honey and the banana. And I have one more banana and it's kind of going bad, so that's why I want to use it. Like, I don't know, like this how the banana looking. So we gonna use it though. It ain't bad, it's going there. But so we're gonna make this smoothie and then I'm gonna get dressed. He like, do your makeup and stuff. I want to do a photo shoot today. I'm like, okay, cool, because y'all know I like taking pictures on the weekend anyway. So we're gonna do some, and I'm probably gonna do some by myself also. So yeah, that's the play this morning. Well, you know what, it's 12 o'clock now. It's a little after 12 now actually, y'all. So I'm just now on my smoothie. I'm gonna eat lunch probably about like 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna still be able to eat dinner. So that's still 3 times a day. Oh, and let me show y'all what I got from Target, y'all. I went to Target yesterday and didn't show y'all nothing. By the time I got home, we ended up eating. I edited. I soaked in the tub with some Epsom salt of hot bubble bath last night. So I didn't even get the chance to show y'all. Let me show y'all. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm sorry. I think I already showed y'all my phone, or did I? I think I did. Oh yeah, I went in Target. My camera died, y'all. I couldn't take y'all in Target. That's what it was. I ended off at Target because my camera died. I wasn't able to take y'all in there, and I went to Five Below. I wasn't able to take y'all in there because my camera died, and yeah, you can't do much. I don't like vlogging from my phone. I mean, I will if I have to really, but I like that high quality camera, you know what I mean? Even though I just got a new phone, so that camera is dope, y'all. It's dope. I'm gonna show y'all that too, but we need a case. So Raymond probably gonna have to go with me to get a case today because all right, let me show y'all though. These is some straws that I got. Look how aesthetically pleasing these are. And this is the brand Opal House, and they have some lunch boxes, y'all. They have some water bottles that's so freaking cute. So these are reusable bamboo straws. Like, you can reuse these, you can wash these. They come with a brush to clean the inside of them, and they were $8, which I love because I don't have to keep reusing the same straw. I can reuse them, I can wash them, you know what I mean? And it's just so cute for when I make my smoothies and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all when I make my smoothies, and I'm also gonna post a picture on my Instagram story, so make sure you go to my Instagram and check out my stories. I also got the Frost Everyday Ice Cube tray. This is the everyday one. This is for the square ice cube tray. I might use these also today for my smoothie, so I won't have to crush the ice up in the blender. I think I'm gonna use, well, you know what, I'm tripping. How I'm gonna use this? They have to freeze, girl, bye. I was supposed to do this last night, but I wanted to show y'all, but my night was kind of busy, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. So I can't use these, so I'm gonna have to crush the ice up. But anyway, this is the square ice cubes. They'd be so cute when they square. Raymond really wanted these, I wanted these, so we got them now. I also got me a cup, so when I'm running out the house with my smoothies, my wine, y'all know I be running out the house with my wine all the time. You know, stuff like that. I can have a cup with a straw that's cute, you know what I'm saying? And it was $3 at Target, so yeah. That's pretty much it. Oh, and let me show y'all my phone. Even though I showed y'all, I think. Let me see. And let me tell y'all, my night was so busy. It took like 9 to 10 hours for everything to transport from my old phone to my new phone. So I still got my old phone. That's actually what Raymond probably gonna have to ride with me to do too. Drop this phone off to Sprint if they'll take it in store at the corporate store. But yeah, I still got my old phone, y'all. And this is my new phone. Got the same picture and everything. So it took like I say 8 to dang on 10 hours to port everything last night. I basically just put both of my phones on the charger, let them do its thing. Every time Raymond went in the bathroom, he walked by like,
got 3 hours left, you know, got 1 hour left, got 5, you know, like he was just hollering it out every time he went and saw it or whatever. But yeah, I love the color. It's like a sea foam, actually, like I say, like a Tiffany blue green kind of like I told y'all, it got like 3 cameras on the back. The front camera is dope, the back camera is dope. I know it's kind of blurry, but let me show y'all. Let's go to the camera. This is the back camera. Like, y'all, the back camera is so freaking clear, it's crazy. And then the front camera is also like, it's I was about to say it's fucking crazy, but it is freaking crazy, y'all. So like, look at, like, the selfies is crazy. I'm gonna just take one, even though I'm looking crazy right now. But this is just a regular selfie taken or whatever. Like, look how clear it is. It is crazy. And I don't know if I told y'all yesterday, but the zoom on this thing is freaking crazy. Like, you can take a picture far back, like if you want a lot of room. You see how that just did? And it just made the kitchen, you know, look bigger because I like made it zoom out. You can zoom it back in and you can zoom it even closer. Look at that. That's 3 times zoom right there, but it goes up to 30. Look at that. It just zooms so much in on the wall with one button. That is freaking crazy. Like, I love this camera. So I'm gonna take a picture and show y'all how the camera, and this is just regular. This ain't me turning it on portrait, you know, high quality mode. Now this is just a regular mode. Like, look at that picture. Look at the kitchen picture. Like, that is freaking dope. Like our pictures is about to be crazy. Like, I'm about to take pictures right now. Like, me and Raymond about to go do a photo shoot. So make sure y'all go to my Instagram so y'all can support and like my pictures and stuff like that. ID Elizabeth with 2 H's, of course, is going to be on the screen, so you can just go follow my Instagram. But yeah, like, I transported everything. I took this picture yesterday. This was off my other phone though, but I took this off of Instagram, I think. But yeah, I transported everything in my phone. Like, every single thing transported. It was like an app that I use. He showed me how to do it before I left, because he was like, if you don't want to sit in here 5, 6, 7 hours with me, let me just show you this app and show you how to do it. So he showed me how to do it before I left, and I just did it when I got home, transported everything under Wi-Fi and stuff like that. But yeah, everything is done. Got our new phone. We just need a new case, and we need to take that phone back. And it was something else I was supposed to do today. That might have been it. It just feel like it's something else because Raymond added the photo shoot. And of course we gotta eat and stuff like that. We gotta figure out what we're gonna eat for lunch and dinner, because like I say, breakfast, I'm about to just do a smoothie. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'm about to, you know, get my smoothie and get dressed, do my makeup and all that stuff so we can get ready. So my smoothie is done. Look at how it matches my straw. I just love the straw. Like, it just looks so cute. So I love the look of that. And I forgot to also show y'all that this comes with a packet in there. You see this bag? This bag is for you to store your straws also. I love it. So it comes with the bag and the cleaner, like for $8. And it's really cute. But like I say, I really like it. Now this is gonna be my first time trying the straw. So let me try how, you know, see how the straw feel. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's unique. I never drunk out of a bamboo straw, so I mean, I guess whatever. I'm all dressed, y'all. So I thought me and Raymond was going to do a photo shoot. He just wants to go do my photos for me. I'm like, oh, we about to do a photo shoot. No, we ain't. He about to do a photo shoot of me. So let me show y'all my outfit that I'm wearing. He want me to wear all black. Look, he done picked out, wear all black, wear your mink, wear your Nike boots. I'm like, okay, just dress me. But okay, thank you, because it actually made it a little easier on me to not have to think. But yeah, I just put on a plain black top because I'm gonna have on my coat and stuff like that, so we ain't gotta be all fancy up here because my coat gonna be on, you know what I'm saying? We taking pictures outside. It snows, so he want to get like pictures of, you know, of me in the snow and stuff like that. So let me show y'all. Anyway, I did my makeup and I did a lip. I did a magenta liner, which is by MAC, and a NYX butter gloss. I think it's the strawberry cheesecake butter gloss by NYX. I made sure I sprayed my hair with that water and that castor oil. I love that. Like, I'm gonna be doing that every day because I just love the smell of it, and I love the way it make my hair feel and stuff. So I have on this long sleeve top that I got from Target. This belt I got from Target also is black with like the gold buckle on it. These jeans I got from Walmart.
with the ridges, and I think y'all saw these before. I wore these before actually. And my black Nike boots. And for jewelry, you can't even really see actually. For jewelry, I just have on my gold Michael Kors watch and my gold Annie and Alex. I think it's Annie and Alex or Alex and Annie, one or the other. Bracelet with the dog paws on it. So my bling cross necklace. I was gonna put on my black and gold one, but I was like, I never really wear this one, so I'm gonna wear this one today. But yeah, that's my look of the day. And oh yeah, let me show y'all these sunnies, even though I need to wipe them off actually. Hold on. So we're gonna wipe them off. They've been sitting, I haven't worn them since I got them. They still have the tag on them. But look, they still have the freaking tag on them because I haven't worn them yet. I got them like in the summertime from Charlotte Russe. They regular was $10, but they was on sale for $5. So y'all know I had to get them. So these, this how these look. I love the shape of them. I love that they're like super big. I'm wearing all black, so it's like perfect because my lip have a little color and then around the edges have color. So I think this is gonna be a perfect little look with my mink on. Be cute. And when I get back home today, I gotta clean up, y'all. I gotta wash, I gotta clean up, I gotta dust stuff down, I gotta work out still, I need to eat. Yeah, I got a lot to do. Look at him. I don't know what he doing with Carly. Put her sweater on. Carly rolling. She like, you damn right. Don't ask questions. Y'all, this snow. Oh, look how super bright. This snow, it looks so gloomy and cloudy and
She like, it's about time. I'm over too, pimping.
How do you want to go out here?
Go ahead, baby. Okay.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry.
Oh, the red up on that one.
Oh, look at this snow, y'all. It's pretty, but let me tell y'all, it's windy. So he want me to take the pictures like in this big old field with all the snow and the trees in the background and stuff. It's actually a nice little, look at Carly. She couldn't wait to get loose. But it's actually a nice little background and stuff though. Pretty, pretty. I gotta check the pictures out though. Oh, why you letting her out?
I'm letting her run.
Oh, it's cold, y'all. Come on, let me here. I gotta check these photos out. Give me the phone. Oh, it's cold out there, y'all. Fuck that. This is my first time taking pictures with my new camera, also my new phone. What? Okay, I gotta take these off. How am I see the damn picture? Look at them. Carly is so probably happy to be out because she is a straight house dog. Aww. Run, Forrest, run! Oh my god, y'all, I know that beeping probably irritating, but look at this picture right here. Look how fire this picture is. OMG. Yes, auntie, this is going on the gram right here. Go to my Instagram and like it for me.
Yeah, man, I told you.
Look at this one, y'all. That is so freaking fire. Oh my goodness.
Lean up, bro.
We back home, y'all. We got Wendy's. We got this peach lemonade. This is about to be both of our first time trying this, right? Cause I never tried the peach. Oh shit.
You know they have.
I never tried peach lemonade, y'all. Y'all, Raymond was tripped out about the song cause she thick. Thick. He was like, what? What is they talking about? So I got a spicy chicken. What you get? Same thing?
So mine ain't got nothing on it, but the cheese Put mine on the plate.
He fancy. He about to put his Wendy's on the plate. So I got a spicy chicken sandwich, y'all. What do y'all get when y'all go from to Wendy's? Because this is like the go-to. The spicy chicken sandwich with cheese. Wait. Okay, this got tomato and lettuce and cheese on it.
Yeah.
Spicy chicken sandwich with cheese. And a fry. Oh, but y'all know I need all the fries I can get.
This is all the fries you can give me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'm a little late on eating lunch, y'all, so I don't know, my dinner might be a little light, something because it's already in the evening now. And I gotta work out and I gotta clean up, so I'll see y'all when I'm working out. No, you know what? Let me taste this peach tea for y'all. No, peach lemonade for y'all. So I can let y'all know to get it or not.
You know, Wendy's be coming through though, so I think.
Yeah, they usually come through.
They come through. I gotta take this trash.
Came through in the clutch. Came through. It's good. Okay, y'all, I had to get hyped because I'm about to clean up, everybody clean up. I just asked Raymond if he remember that song because I remember when I was like in or Head Start, I don't remember like exactly which one it was, but we used to do clean up, everybody clean up. So anyway, I got cleaned up, y'all. Let me show y'all. I got these dishes. Yes, like, oh, I got to clean up, y'all. I got to clean up, clean this table down. I got stuff in here. Look at, I got to clean this up. And I'm going to do our room. I'm going to dust down everything in our room, like our dressers and stuff like that. I vacuum the floor in our room, sprinkle some carpet freshener on. Wash the clothes. I got a tub of clothes to wash, yes, again. And mop this floor, sweep and mop this floor. And then I got to work out. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. I just lit the candle in my room. I lit this candle right here. Got that going. I need to wash this stuff because y'all know I just bought this stuff earlier, so I need to wash it before I can ever use it. So I'm gonna wash that too. And yeah, it's going up because I gotta get hyped because I gotta get ready for my workout. You know, you gotta be lit. Okay, I'm finally done with the cleaning. I got a load in the washer actually right now, and then I got one more after that. But I done cleaned everything. I done swept, I done mopped, I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned the kitchen, I cleaned our room, I washed, I swept the front room and everything. So it's all clean. It smells so freaking good in this house, like cleaning supplies and good smelling candles. Now I finally washed the ice tray out where y'all know I went to Target. Y'all know I love my little fancy ice trays and stuff like that. So we got these square ice trays. It's like the deep ice. This is not like the regular ones. These like the deep square ones. So I'm gonna fill them up with water now and finally freeze it. All right, so let me see, for a little bit more over here and over here. Let me put it in the freezer. Y'all remember these ones. These is the round shape ones that I had bought from Target also. This is the only one that's missing an ice cube or whatever. All the rest of these are froze, so I'm gonna actually fill this one back up. All right, I just stuck them in the back there. So them the square ones and these are the round ones. So we're gonna let them freeze. And as y'all know, this is the water bottle I use to work out with. But I also, the other day, what did I do with them? I cut up some cucumbers. They were in a bowl. Oh, here they go. Okay, so I sliced up some cucumbers. And now I need to slice a lemon because I want, you know, like cucumber and lemon water. That helps you to detox. Be more convenient. They'll be already sliced up versus me having to slice them up at the time. So I'm just gonna slice some of them up. That's what I'm going to be doing, you know, like all the time, slicing me up some lemons and some cucumbers so I can already have them to go, because tonight this is what I'm going to drink also, because I need it. And the reason for that is to keep your belly, you know, flat and detox. You want to detox a lot out your belly so you can get rid of a lot of those toxins, because that's where a lot of the bloating come from. You need to get rid of those toxins and stuff. So you just fill a cup up with some water and put a few of each in the water. Okay, it's time to fill my water bottle back up though now, because I'm low on water and it's time to work out, y'all. Oh, but first I need to put these in the refrigerator. We don't want them sitting out. Them need to go in the refrigerator. Let me pause this for a second because I want to talk to y'all just for 1 second. Y'all, I didn't gain 2 pounds since last week. My thing was to gain 1 pound per week. I didn't put on 2 pounds. I'm like, uh-oh, we're moving kind of fast a little bit. I wanted to do 1 pound per week and I didn't gain 2 in a week. So, I mean, because we trying to, you know, make that booty do what it do. But anyway, we up 2 pounds. Y'all know it's up there. So y'all know what that means. That means it's muscle. I'm gaining muscle. 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 I tell you. My heart racing like crazy, y'all. My heart is racing. I'm tired. Whew, I'm getting squeak. I really almost drank all my water. Y'all know I had filled this up. Okay. That's a workout. When I actually can feel it. When I can't feel the workout, I don't feel like it's gonna be no progress. You know what I mean? Like, I want to feel it. I want to be breathing like I'm breathing now. Feel like I done did something. If not, I'm gonna be like, look, this ain't working for me. You know what I mean? It take a little bit more for me to feel it. You know what I mean? I don't know why, but I gotta do a lot to feel it. I think, I don't know, my energy level or my wind, I don't know. It's like I need to do, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I went from the beginner stage so fast and just progressed up for my squats and more of my workouts, because I was just like content. Like, my body wasn't hurting no more. It wasn't feeling like I was working out. You know what I mean? Now the workout I'm doing, and feel like I'm working out. I'm like, okay, I can stay right here. This is it. I can just do this for the rest of to however long. You know what I mean? Like, I'm good right where I'm at. As far as doing different stuff, yeah, I can do different stuff, but not like doing different stuff plus this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be switching it up, doing new stuff from time to time. So when I do new stuff, I'm gonna make sure I film the workout for y'all. But sometime I'm going to be doing workout and y'all might not see it. Like, I work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Of course, I'm probably not going to film all them times, but just know I'm working out. Don't think just because I'm not filming, I'm not working out. I'm still going to work out. You know what I mean? So when I do the new ones, I'm going to film probably so y'all can see like the new workouts, just in case if you want to work out, you can see the new stuff I'm doing, so you can, you know, put it into your routine or whatever. I'm gurgitating. That's how I know I worked out hard. Ugh. I just gurgitated a little bit. That's disgusting. That's how I know I worked out hard. And we ate that that Wendy's early, that spicy chicken sandwich, and I was going to eat something else, but now that I just gurgitated, I don't think I'm going to eat nothing else, because I don't think my stomach is going to allow it. I think because I just worked out and we ate those sandwiches. I don't know what it is, but we ate those a couple hours ago, but it's a spicy chicken sandwich, so maybe that's why that just happened with all that stomach workout or whatever. So it made me gurgitate a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit just came up. Like, I don't know, but like I said, just know if I'm not filming, I'm still working out. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to even put nothing else on my stomach tonight because of that. It just kind of scared me, like, oh no, I don't think I need to eat again. But y'all, we up 2 pounds, so I don't really need to eat tonight if I don't want to really anyway. We didn't gain 2 pounds this week, and my goal was 1 pound per week. I done put on 2 pounds, so really I don't need to eat tonight anyway. I can just wait to start tomorrow because I'm ahead a little bit or whatever. And if it wasn't for me just gurgitating, I probably would have. But it's, you know, I'm scary. If y'all don't know, I'm a little scary cat. It's 9:15 anyway, so it's like when I'm gonna eat anyway. I probably could wait till 10. I could wait till 10. I could get in the shower and wait till like 10 and then put something else in my stomach if I wanted to. But I'm just at this point, I'm not gonna force it. If I'm hungry when I get out the shower and feel like I want something, I'll put something light on my stomach, like maybe a hash brown or something like that. You know what I mean? Like nothing heavy, just like a hash brown or something like that. But I am going to detox tonight. Like I told you, I'm going to put the lemons and cucumbers in my water, so I'll be okay. Once I drink that and stuff, I'm going to detox and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Thank y'all for hanging out with me for this weekend. I had a little 2-day weekend. It was just yesterday and today, not Friday or whatever, because that was included in last week's vlog or whatever. So yeah, make sure y'all smash the like button and comment down below so I can know that y'all be down there, you know, chit chat with me. Y'all know I chit chat back. I love to see y'all down below. I love to see y'all comment. I like to see, you know, who's watching, who getting influenced by this, you know, talk with me, chit chat with me or whatever. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't watch the videos and don't subscribe. And after you subscribe, click the post notification bell. That way you won't miss none of the videos. You'll get notified of all my videos, especially if you scroll up and click all after you push that post notification bell. But for now, your girl is out. Peace.